Now we're going to do a typical integral that appears in probability theory. We're going to do the integral from 0 to infinity of x e to the minus x dx. This is solved by integration by parts. You let u equal x, then du is just dx. dv is what's left over. dv is e to the minus x dx. And a function whose derivative is e to the minus x dx is minus e to the minus x. So this is going to be x times minus e to the minus x minus the integral of v du. Minus e to the minus x dx. So this gives us minus x e to the minus x plus the integral, and evaluated at 0 and at infinity, plus the integral of e to the minus x dx. And the integral of e to the minus x is just minus e to the minus x. So we wind up with minus x plus 1 e to the minus x from 0 to infinity. So this is a typical kind of calculation that you are expected to be able to do. Now, we're not quite done. We need to figure out the value when we plug in 0 and when we plug in infinity. This is an improper integral because it's not from a to b, it's from 0 to infinity. So the way we handle that is you take a limit as you plug in a large number and you take the limit as that goes to infinity. So what is the limit as x goes to infinity of minus x plus 1 e to the minus x? Well, that's the limit of minus x plus 1 over e to the x. Now, you may have learned a rule of thumb that exponentials grow faster than powers of x, and say, oh, well, this goes to 0, and that's the correct answer. If you didn't remember that rule of thumb, you would solve this using L'Hopital's rule. This goes to infinity, minus infinity actually. This goes to infinity, so you figure out the limit by taking the derivative of the top and the derivative of the bottom, and that goes to 0. So the value you get when you plug in infinity is 0. You can't say minus infinity e to the minus infinity, that doesn't make sense, but you can say minus x plus 1 e to the minus x when x is very, very large and the limit is 0. So our integral from 0 to infinity of x e to the minus x dx is minus x plus 1 e to the minus x from 0 to infinity. The limit as you plug in larger and larger numbers is 0. And then you get minus 1 e to the minus 0, and that's 1. So this integral happens to give you the value 1. So these are the kinds of techniques that you need to be able to do. Another integral that comes up, another place where you would also use integration